The end result of today's hair growth recipe is mind-blowing. I would just entreat you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks to help you use this to grow your hair. You're going to learn from my mistakes. When I started my hair growth journey, my hair was breaking, I was thinning out, but after finding natural ingredients and using them the right way, my hair has been growing much thicker, fuller, and is really flourishing. And that is all I do on this channel. I show you the best ways to use natural ingredients to grow your hair. And today is one of such videos. So make sure you're watching this video to the end. Without further ado, let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So one of my ingredients for today's recipe is the aloe vera leaf. If you're trying to grow natural hair and do not know about aloe vera leaf, then it means you're missing out on something good. Aloe vera has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth, and I'm going to tell you all about that. But before getting into that, I just want to show some appreciation for all my lovely subscribers. I really enjoy the support and love you show me. And if you're new here, we show a whole lot of love and support around this channel. And we do so by giving videos thumbs up. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you do click on the bell, click on it again and select all so you do not miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get into the recipe. So I started by washing my aloe vera leaves, then after that I cut them into big chunks and I'm using my spoon to scrape all the gel out. It is very easy to use a spoon to do this process so you do not cut yourself. Do not use the knife. Aloe vera has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, as well as vitamin E. These vitamins help to make your hair follicles really strong and prevent it from breaking. Aloe vera can help prevent hair breakages, hair fall, hair thinning. If you have somebody who have dry hair, aloe vera can help moisturize your hair. It can also cleanse your scalp. If you are someone who suffers from dandruff, dry itchy scalp or any scalp issues, using aloe vera on your hair is going to help prevent all these issues. Also, its antimicrobial, antibacterial, as well as antiseptic properties will help prevent your hair from dandruff or any scalp issues. So after getting my aloe vera gel, I'm going to put it in the blender. Do not add any water. And I'm going to blend it away like no one's business. Let me tell you a trick here. The more or the longer you blend your aloe vera gel, you're going to lose the slime. So if you really want it to be slimy and thick, you do not have to blend it for a very long time. And whenever you blend your aloe vera gel, do not forget to strain it. Otherwise, you're going to have some pulps left over in your hair. And you're going to spend all 2023 trying to get pulps out of your hair. And I do not want that for you. So make sure you're always straining your aloe vera gel. And this is what I'm having now. So I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. And there you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you do click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my uploads. Alright, let's move on to the next ingredient. So my next ingredient is the beetroot. And let me tell you what, this was the first time of me using the beetroots. And I'm going to tell you all about it when it comes to hair growth. I'm going to tell you my sincere thoughts. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video because I'm going to show you the result of using this natural ingredient. I have read so much about beetroots and I was so eager to try it because of its many benefits. Beetroot has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. It contains potassium, iron, vitamins A and C, proteins, and so many vitamins and minerals. And these will help stimulate your hair follicle to produce strong and healthy strands, whilst it helps your roots to also produce new healthy hair. It also contains antioxidants that can help reduce and repair hair damages. It will prevent hair breakages, hair fall, hair thinning, or any hair issues that you might be having. That's not all the benefit of this amazing natural ingredient. Bees can also soothe scalp inflammation. Scalp inflammation can impede the activity of hair follicles, resulting in stunted and poor hair growth. However, the heavy dose of antioxidants found in the beetroot can help curb this kind of scalp inflammation to facilitate the proper function of the hair follicles. So beetroot, when added to your hair growth regimen, can help prevent hair breakages. It will help you grow your hair much faster. It will add some strength to your hair strands, and it has so many amazing benefits. And that was why I was so in a rush to try this amazing natural ingredient. So just make sure you're watching this video to the end. You're not skipping any part of it, because I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe to boost your hair growth, and also some of the cons that you have to know when you want to try this recipe. So as you saw me do, I just washed my bees. I just peeled them, cut them into little chunks, and added some little water to it, just enough to blend it. Then after that, I'm going to strain the juice out. I added the juice directly to the aloe vera juice I prepared from earlier on. So at this point, I'm just going to make sure I strain all the juice out, because we need those juice. And I'm going to give it a good stir so everything can mix in together. There is one more ingredient that I'm going to add to make this very, very effective, and that is honey. Raw honey has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. I mean, if you're someone with low porosity hair, you should be using honey all the time. Honey can moisturize your hair, make it really soft. It can help you grow much thicker and fuller hair. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff. If you have any itchy scalp or any issues, honey can help it. It can also prevent your hair from breaking, because it's going to make your hair strand very strong. So looking at all the ingredients put together, they have similar properties, and they're going to do amazing work on your hair. Let me show you the best way to apply this. Alright, so my aim was to use this to help me detangle my hair because of the aloe vera that is in it. So I was going to look for two benefits. I was going to try to get all the good benefits that comes with the beet, as well as the slime that comes with the aloe vera that can help me detangle my hair. But I later realized my aloe vera juice was blended too long, so it was more in the liquid part. So if you want to use this to detangle your hair, make sure you are not blending your aloe vera juice for a very long time. If you really want it to be thick and use it to detangle your hair, make sure you are not blending your aloe vera juice for a long time. But either way, I was still able to use it and get the benefit, because I use it as a hair rinse. Using it as a hair rinse has its own cons and pros. When you pour it on your hair like so, it's able to get to every part of your hair. You just have to massage it into your hair. Make sure you keep massaging your scalp, because just massaging your hair will also improve blood circulation to your scalp, and the beetroot also has that benefit of improving blood circulation. So doing that will also help improve hair growth. But the cons is the mess. I wish I had done this in the shower. If you want to use it as a hair rinse, make sure you're doing this in the shower. It's going to save you a whole lot of mess. Cover your hair with a shower or rubber cap for about 30 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. Do not forget to condition your hair. This is how my hair is looking, really soft and shiny. I'm going to do this at least once a week to get all the benefits. Make sure you click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.